In this tutorial, I am going to show you the solution for error MySql shutdown unexpectedly. So the solution is really simple. For it, what you need to do is first you need to go to where you downloaded your Xampp. So for my case, I downloaded my Xampp in local disk C. So in local disk C, here you can see we have the Xampp folder. So we need to go inside this folder. After coming to the Xampp folder, we need to go inside the MySql folder. Just look for the MySql folder, then go inside, and here you can see we have some folder over here. First of all, what we are going to do is that we're going to rename this data folder. So for it, we'll just right click, then we'll just click on this rename option, and here we are going to rename to data_or. Then we're going to create a folder called data. So let me just right click, then click on new, then folder, and the folder name will be data. After that, we'll go inside the data_or folder. And from here, we're going to copy every folder from here. So I'm just going to copy those folders except the PCMyAdmin, part1 schema, MySql, and test. Except those 4 folders, we're going to copy every folder. After that, here you can see we have one more file called ibdata1. So we are also going to copy this or select this folder. So we'll just select it, just press Ctrl, then click here. Then we are going to copy all those folder and files. So I'll just right click and click on copy. After that, we'll just go back, and here you can see we have the data folder. So we will go inside this data folder that we just created, and we're going to paste whatever we just copied from the data folder. There you can see. So after that, we'll go inside the backup folder. And inside backup folder, we have MySql, part1 schema, PCMyAdmin, and test folders. So I'm going to select every files and folder from here except this ibdata1. So we'll just unselect it. Then we'll just copy this, Ctrl+C, then go back, and we'll go inside the data folder. Then we'll just paste whatever we just copied, Ctrl+V, and there you can see. So after that, we can just close this, and here we are going to close our Xampp. Just stop those, then close Xampp and reopen your Xampp again. There you can see Xampp control panel, and right now we'll be able to run the Apache and MySql, and there you can see there is no issue right now. So this is how you can solve your issue. I hope this was easy for you to follow. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.